What's poppin' YouTube? JD here, back with yet another review for you guys, and this is gonna be a first. We are not doing a sneaker review. We are gonna be reviewing slides. In my hand, I got a pair of the brand new Yeezy slide. What up fam? So in this video, I'm gonna be breaking down these slides, talking about is it worth $60, also giving you some important sizing advice, so make sure you stick around until the end of the video. The timing on this release couldn't have been more perfect. I mean, what are we doing right now? We are all quarantined, we're just chilling in the house. These are absolutely perfect for chilling in the house. If you've spent too much time in your bedroom and you gotta walk over to the living room now, these will get the job done. Let's get into the sneaker. Starting off with the box, you got that classic cardboard Yeezy box, and at the top of the box you have slide written there. As always, the model of the shoe is usually on the top of the box on most Yeezys. The retail price on this was $55, making this the cheapest Yeezy to release so far. Hey, it's still a Yeezy, but even at that price, guys, it is about $30 too expensive. Let's be honest, this is pretty much just a rubber slide like any other rubber slide out there. It's not made out of like some special high quality rubber. This is just a regular rubber slide, and it feels super cheap. I mean, this probably cost Adidas like $1 to manufacture. The profit margin must be crazy on this. This slide does not have any Adidas Boost technology. Instead, it is injected with EVA foam inside the sole, and it is pretty comfortable. I mean, it's the level of comfort you would expect from a slide. I wouldn't say it's way more comfortable than just a regular pair of rubber slides. The outsole of the sneaker is full of these ridges. It looks like teeth at the bottom of the shoe, and it's probably the coolest feature of the shoe, at least visually. I mean, can your slides do this? Also, these slides do seem to be water resistant. The initial drop of this slide featured 3 different colorways. There was this one, which I have in my hand, is the earth brown colorway. There was also the bone colorway as well as the resin colorway. And on drop date, at least here in Europe, the bone colorway was the one that sold out the fastest. It also seems to have the highest resale price out of the 3 colorways. All 3 of these colorways definitely have that Yeezy aesthetic. Usually you get these kind of earthy colors with most Yeezy products. I actually also copped the bone colorway in my girlfriend's size, and it was supposed to get delivered today. Instead it didn't, and it's only gonna come here 2 days from now. So I didn't wanna wait. I thought I'd just put the review out anyways. But I showed this pair to my girlfriend. She had no idea that I copped the other one for her. I showed this to her today and I asked her what her thoughts were, and this is exactly what she said. Josh, I would rather burn my feet off than wear these. The only bit of branding you get on this slide is this Adidas logo that you see on the heel. There's no Yeezy branding or anything like that. It's just this Adidas 3 stripes that you see on the heel. And when it comes to sizing, so I got this in my normal Adidas size, and I gotta say guys, it is really tight, especially in this forefoot area. This part right here has no give at all. It doesn't stretch, and it feels extremely cramped in there. So I would suggest definitely going a half size up. If you can't do that, I would even go a full size up. I don't think it's too big of a deal. But if you go true to size, I think it will be way too tight. At least I've definitely felt that way. I think this pretty much fits like a 350 V2, which I always go a half size up in. So my suggestion is go with your 350 V2 size. By the way, if you've been enjoying this video so far, make sure you smash that like button and of course subscribe for more. I am dropping content every single week, guys, so make sure you're subscribed. What I really find surprising about this, or maybe not so surprising, is the fact that there's actually resale on this slide. I mean, this is just my opinion. I think these shoes are already overpriced at retail, but at the end of the day, the value of something is what you perceive it to be. So I'm not mad at you if you want to pay resale for this sneaker. I just think that it's crazy that people are actually paying resale for these. For those of you who actually cop this just to resale, I would personally just sell these as soon as possible. This is, I couldn't possibly on this channel give advice to you guys that you guys should invest in slides. I also expect that these are probably gonna restock, and we're probably gonna get more colorways of this. I mean, just think about it, guys. The cost of Adidas actually manufacturing something like this, like I said, it's probably like $1, which means that their profit margin on this is insane, which also means that they're probably gonna mass produce this. They're probably gonna produce a lot of colorways of this in the future because of course a lot of people are gonna buy this. It is, first, like we said, a cheap Yeezy, the cheapest Yeezy out there. So for that reason, I wouldn't personally like invest in these. I wouldn't buy like a lot of these just to resale. This for me is just a quick flip, get some money right now while you can. My overall thoughts on this slide, this to me guys, once again, I think this is about $30 too expensive even at retail. So for me, this is definitely a flop. If you're not already following me on Instagram, make sure you do so. The handle is right here. It is at JDKick6. I drop a lot of content on there, including fit pics, and it is the easiest place to contact me. So make sure you follow me. I am not gonna be doing an on-feet in these. First of all, because I wanna spare you guys from having to look at my actual feet. And second of all, because these are slides, you're gonna be wearing them indoors. Who cares what they look like on feet? So I'm just gonna leave it with that. Thank you guys so much for watching this video. Once again, if you enjoyed it, make sure you drop that like. And until next time, guys, peace.